Hey friends, if you wish to check your ping in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and then open command prompt. Now type the word ping space and the name of the domain or URL which you wish to ping. Okay, like let's say it's google.com. Just for the sake of the example, it can be anything. Now, if you get 4 replies, that means that everything is working. If there is any missing reply out of these 4, it means that there are some packets lost. So these replies are basically called packets, and it also shows a reply time, which is pretty good here. So you can also try pinging some other website like ping space bing.com. I'm showing so that it doesn't only work with Google, it works with others. And if it works, then it's well and good. If not, we will resolve the situation with the DNS, but let us leave that part for a different video. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.